BOGOS Analytics helps you see if your offers are actually working. Hello, I'm Anne, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the analytics dashboard and show you how to track performance for each offer type. First, let me give you a quick tour of the analytics screen. At the top, you'll find the Selection and Filter section. This allows you to filter by offer type and set your date range to view data for a specific time period. Below that is the Summary section. It showcases all the key metrics at a glance, so you can quickly see how your offers are doing. Next, the Chart section visualizes your data in graphs. This makes it easy to spot trends, whether your numbers are going up or down over time. Then you have the Orders list. This section compiles all the orders that match your filter criteria. It gives you a detailed view of each transaction, including order ID, date, details of the order and sales revenue. Click View to navigate directly to that order in the Shopify order. Or click Delete if you don't want an order to appear in this list. But keep in mind that when you delete an order, the total sales and orders will be recalculated. And finally, there's the Export button. This lets you download your analytics data. For gift offers, you can export both sales and orders data. For other offer types, you'll be able to export the order list only. Now let's dive into each offer type. I'll start with gift offers. This drop-down box allows you to select all offers you've created, or you can pick a specific offer by its name. Then, set the time range you want to check. In the Summary section, gift offers show you 3 key metrics. Total sales are the total revenue generated from your gift offers, average order value shows you the average value per order, and orders displays the total number of orders. The Chart section visualizes 2 metrics: total sales and total orders. If you want to check the exact numbers for a specific day, just hover your mouse over that point on the graph. Now, let me show you what happens when you select a specific offer instead of all offers. As you can see, the data updates to reflect only that particular offer's performance. Next, let's check out the analytics for bundle offers. Compared to gift offers, bundle offers have additional metrics to track performance. Total order revenue shows the total revenue from orders that include bundles plus any other offers. Total bundle revenue is the revenue generated from bundles only. Orders with bundle counts are orders that contain only bundle offers. Average order value is the average across all orders. Add to cart value shows the total bundle revenue divided by how many times customers added to cart. And total bundle purchased counts how many bundles were successfully bought. Below that, you'll see the overview funnel. This tracks your customer's browsing journey with conversion rates between each step. Bundle view shows the total views of your bundle. Add to cart shows how many times the bundle was added to the cart, and orders shows how many bundle-only orders were completed. The Chart section follows a similar format to gift offers, but here it displays bundle revenue and orders with bundle. The orders list also includes a bundle type column here, and if you want more details for each order, just click View Details to expand. Now let's move on to discount offers. The analytics here are quite similar to bundle offers. The main difference is that the metric names reflect discount-specific data instead of bundle data. You'll find the same Summary section, Overview Funnel, Chart, and Orders list. Finally, let's look at Upsell Offer Analytics. This section's IU is similar to gift offers, with the Summary, Chart, and Orders list. However, there's one unique metric here: total upsell revenue. This shows the total revenue generated specifically from your upsell offers. Upsell Analytics also includes the overview funnel, just like bundle and discount offers. And that's the analytics feature in the BOGOS app. Now you know how to track performance across all your offer types. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.